Hey guys, welcome to my channel for a throwback video. This is an old head wrap tutorial for beginners that I had that my original voiceover was muted on, so here we go. I start with a wig cap. It's not necessary, but I like to. And I'm going to take my head wrap. This is your standard African style head wrap using fabric that I sourced locally. These are all sold out at the moment, but I do plan on bringing some fresh new styles back this summer. You're going to take both ends and bring them towards the front and tie it. Then you're going to work on one side of the fabric and just roll that and twist it underneath the other end. Roll again and then tuck the ends into itself just to secure it. Then you're going to take the other side, roll this side loosely because this is the one that's going to build that volume, but you're going to twist it the opposite way and then tuck in the ends. Smush it a little bit to center and voila! This next one is my favorite. I love this one in the summer with a tube dress. You can't tell me anything. But it starts off the same. You're going to take the fabric and put it evenly across the back of your neck. Pull the front forward on this one to cover your forehead, and then bring the two ends forward and tie. And then we're going to take the two ends and tie a bow, just like you would tie a shoelace bow. So just loop one end and pull the other side through so that you have two loops. And then you're going to pull those apart or fan them out as much as you can. So stretch them all the way out on both sides. You're going to actually just take the loose ends and tuck it inside the bow. That's going to give the bow some more fullness and some more structure to help it stand up. This next one is a turban style, and it actually looks harder than it is. It's really simple. Start off the same by putting the fabric behind your neck. This one we're going to do uneven, so pull about 3/4 to one side. Wrap the shorter side and then immediately wrap the longer side around it. As long as this first tuck is nice and tight, this is going to be secure and won't move all day. Continue to wrap the fabric around your head, moving up slightly. And when you get to the end, just tuck that into the folds. And you can play with the top to shape it a little bit, but that's essentially it. I told you, it looks harder than it is. You can wear it just like this, where it's naturally positioned. It looks great, but you can also push it back if you want to do a little baby hair artistry. It gives you more of a Nefertiti or Queen Latifah look. This last one is another one of my faves. We're starting out the opposite way by centering the fabric at the front of our head on our forehead and bringing the two long ends to the back and tying it to secure it at the nape. Then we're going to twist tightly. It adds to the look, and then bring that one piece over your head across your forehead and tuck it underneath the fabric in the back. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Repeat the process, just roll tightly, bring this one behind the first roll, and again tuck and secure in the back. Again, you can wear this one forward as is, or you can push it back to expose your baby hairs. I love this style with your hair down actually. If you have locks or braids or twists, this looks great with a little bit of hair out. I hope you enjoyed this stroll down memory lane. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more head wrap styles in the future. Peace.